I made over $300,000 from a single YouTube channel. And this right here, this is just one of my 9 YouTube channels. So do you want to make money on YouTube but not show your face? You don't want to record any videos, or you don't want to make any videos? If so, you're in the right place. In this video today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money on YouTube with this super incredible technique that I've hardly seen taught anywhere else online. I'm going to show you channels doing this, how you can do this too, how you can generate videos super easily without showing your face, without dealing with copyright or anything like that. But this is going to require that you actually put in the work to do this. I'm going to be laying this all out in this video today, but if you want to actually make money with this method, you have to actually put in the work and do the steps that I'm teaching you. And my name is Matt Parr. I run 9 different YouTube channels, and now I'm showing others how they can do the same because YouTube has completely transformed my life, and I hope that it can transform yours too. Now, I'm not saying that if you just upload a bunch of random videos, you're gonna get millions of views and you'll make a ton of money. But what I am saying is that you're about to learn the same exact techniques and strategies that I personally use to make 6 figures a year on YouTube, and that tons of my successful students use as well. So without further ado, let's jump on my computer right here so we can take a look at some example channels that are actually doing this. Now, the first example channel I want to show you is this channel right here called Meditation and Relaxation Music Channel. Now, what's so amazing about this channel is that they literally just upload videos with stock videos in the background of these videos, and I'm going to show you places where you can get these exact videos to use within your videos, not have to deal with copyright or anything like that, because I see so many people out there teaching these bogus strategies on how you can literally go out there, take other people's videos and re-upload them to YouTube. Let me just tell it to you straight, that does not work. You can't just steal other people's content and upload it on your channel. But what I'm about to show you today is going to allow you to use other people's content, but for absolutely free. Don't have to deal with any legal issues or anything like that. This is the real proper way to do it so you can build a real long-term business with YouTube, and that's exactly what I want to share with you today. So looking at this channel right here, 300,000 subscribers, and they get over 1 million views per month just on their channel. And this channel right here is by far not the only channel doing this. Tons of channels doing this. Here's yet another one called Meditation Relax Club, Sleep Music, and Mindfulness. Literally these same types of videos. And let me just show you, for example, if we click on one of these videos right here, all this video literally is an intro, and then it's literally just some stock video of looks like some plants blowing in the wind right here with some music in the background of the video. That's literally what these videos are. And this channel right here is getting 5.9 million views per month on their channel, making between $1,000 and $23,000 per month on their channel. Now, due to running channels and niches similar to this, I would estimate that this channel right here is making around in the middle of that from ad revenue directly from YouTube. So I would estimate that they're making around $12,000 to $15,000 per month. Now, a $12,000 a month paycheck is a lot to a lot of people, and this is exactly what these channels are doing. Literally just stock footage in the background with music in the background. I'm going to show you exactly where you can get music for generating these types of videos as well. Here's yet another channel doing the exact same thing called Great Meditation, these same types of videos. Here's yet another channel, Transformation and Miracle Meditation Music, same types of videos. Over 100,000 subscribers. They got a silver play button from YouTube, which is what YouTube gives out when channels reach 100,000 subscribers. And YouTube gives the gold play button right there when channels reach 1 million subscribers. Here's yet another channel doing this exact same thing, 800,000 subscribers doing this exact method. Here's yet another one, Meditative Mind, 2.83 million subscribers, these same types of videos. And if we take a look at the statistics for this channel, 25 million views per month, and they're making an estimated between $6,000 and $100,000 a month. And like I said, if it's around in the middle of that, they're making around $50,000 a month from their channel just from ads. Now, a lot of people are going to be watching this video and they're going to say, how can you put ads on meditation videos? Isn't that going to interrupt the viewing experience during the videos? Well, you don't put the ads in the actual video itself. What you do is you put an ad at the beginning of the video and an ad at the end of the video. That way you don't interrupt their viewing experience or anything like that. And also you can put little banner ads at the bottom that don't interrupt the viewing experience for these meditation videos whatsoever, because the last thing you want is for someone to be watching a meditation and then all of a sudden be interrupted by an advertisement, and that would obviously make people click off the video and ruin your audience retention. So make sure to only put ads at the beginning and end of your video if you're doing this method. But you can definitely do that, still make a ton of money doing this method, and there's tons of channels doing this. And also you can make money through YouTube Premium revenue as well, and through some other sources that I'm about to be sharing with you on this video today. I'm super excited to share this with you, but $50,000 a month with just ad revenue, absolutely crazy. Here's yet another channel doing the exact same thing, sleep and meditation music, these same types of videos. And I understand this is going to get a little bit obnoxious, showing all these channels doing this exact same thing, getting just insane results, 5 million views a month on this channel. Here's yet another channel, The Honest Guys Meditation Relax Music. Same types of videos. They're about to hit 1 million subscribers, about to get a gold play button, 3.4 million views a month. Here's yet another channel doing the exact same thing. They got a gold play button, 1.5 million subscribers. Here's another channel, 2 million subscribers, and if we take a look at the stats, 10 million views a month with these super simple videos. So right about now you might be saying, I'm sold, I want to get started doing this, but how in the heck do I actually start generating content like you said? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now, and I'm going to show you how you can put the content together and generate these videos super easily. So to actually find content, all you have to do is go to a website called Pixabay. So if you literally just search Pixabay in Google right here, as you can see, here's this website right here, completely free stock images and videos that you can use for completely free within your videos. And for example, let's take a look at this channel right here, 2 million subscribers, 10 million views a month. And if we look at any of their videos, there's literally just these nature landscapes for these videos. So let's say, for example, we go to Pixabay and we literally just search in beach. If you search beach in Pixabay, go right here and click videos, you can see completely free videos that you can use. You can use any of these videos. This is a great one right here. It looks just like those other channels that I was just showing you guys. As you can see, you can literally use these videos for free within your videos. So how do you download them? Just click this green button right here, and then you just select download, and you can download these videos completely free. So now you're probably wondering, how can I actually get music to use within the background of my videos without having to deal with copyright strikes or anything like that? Well, here's how you do it. All you simply have to do is go to YouTube and then click on your profile picture in the top right corner and go to your YouTube studio. And now once you're here, all you simply have to do is scroll down on the left-hand side right here and click this little button that says Audio Library. Now this will bring you to the YouTube Audio Library. Now what the YouTube Audio Library is a completely free collection of audio files, music, sound effects, and all that kind of stuff that you can use within your videos for completely free. So how do you actually go about finding the best music to use within your videos? So if we're going to be making a meditation channel, all we have to do right here is go to Mood, and then let's say we want to select inspirational music right here. And then simply go to the top right-hand corner right here, click Attribution, and make sure to select Attribution Not Required. Now this will show you completely free audio files, music that you can use within your videos for completely free, not have to deal with copyright strikes or anything like that. And then let's say we wanted to sort the genre by ambient music, some of that nice ambient background music that a lot of these meditation channels use. And then let's simply play a couple of the music tracks so you can hear how they sound. As you can hear, these are great music tracks. They sound exactly like those other meditation channels that you can find directly within the YouTube Audio Library. And if you wanted to take this to the next level, you could always do a voiceover. When I started out on YouTube, I literally just did voiceovers using this crappy iPhone that I had with a super high-pitched voice. But you can literally do voiceovers just using your phone. You don't need any fancy equipment, and just do like affirmations or something in the background of these videos and have that music playing in the videos. So how do you download this music? You simply hit this button right here on the right-hand side and download this music onto your device. Now, how do you actually edit these videos together the best way possible? And maybe you don't have money to spend on a video editor or any of this fancy video editing equipment or any of this kind of stuff. All you have to do is download a completely free software called HitFilm Express. It's completely free. Just go to fxhome.com/hitfilm-express and you can download this software completely free. Now let me actually walk you through generating this content step by step. So I have HitFilm open right here, and I have some audio and video files downloaded on my computer right here. Now all we simply have to do is select all of these files right here and just drag them into HitFilm in the media area right here. And just like that, our files are imported into HitFilm. And now all we simply have to do is drag these files one by one onto the timeline. And as you can see, that video is on the timeline now. Now let's drag that one on right here, and then let's drag this one on right here. And then we simply select our music track right here, that same music track that we saw on the YouTube audio library, drag it directly under those right here. And as you can see, there's a little gap at the beginning, so let's trim that off very simply, just drag it just like that. And now let me play for you guys this video. As you can see, we literally made a video in like under 60 seconds. Now imagine if you were to actually go in, loop this audio, put multiple of these audios next to each other, make these hours long like these meditation channels are doing. You could easily crank out a video every single day. And if you upload every single day, you're going to be far ahead of most of the competition and most of these meditation channels, which are uploading like one video a week and stuff like that. It's always best to upload as many videos as possible. So you can generate these videos super simply, and then to export these videos, you simply go to the top right here, and select export. And you can export these videos onto your computer and then upload them to YouTube. Now let me show you how you can get other people to generate these videos for you. So all you simply have to do is go to Google and type in Fiverr. And if you go to fiverr.com right here and type in meditation, as you can see, there's literally people on Fiverr who will make a completely free meditation music for you for only $5. Now let's take a look back at these channels right here. This video right here has 1.5 million views. A conservative estimate for this video would be that it generated at least $1,000. This is like on the low end. At least $1,000 generated from this video right here, and you're paying $5 for someone to actually make a meditation. You can even get people to make voiceover meditations, as you can see right here, where they'll actually use their voice and, just really take it to the next level. So if you can pay someone $5 to make a video, and you can make $1,000 potentially, maybe let's say your average video makes $100. That's still making you money, and I would gladly pay $5 to make $100 all day long. Am I saying that if you go to Fiverr and you download these audio files and all that, and you put it in your own video, that you're going to automatically make $100 a video? No, I cannot guarantee that. And would you be wasting your time if you did all this and you uploaded videos and they don't get any traction, and you don't get any views, and you don't make any money? Yes, you would be wasting your time. But to prevent that, I have a completely free training that you can attend by simply clicking the link in the description of this video. It's completely free. It's going to show you some more niches to do this in, how to generate videos super fast, and most importantly, how to make a ton of money from your videos and get a ton of views. That's what this free training in my link in the description is going to show you exactly how to do. So if you want to check that out, you can check it out. But looking here, you can literally pay people $5 on Fiverr to make meditations for you. And then simply pay another person on Fiverr to edit your videos. Just type in video editing right here. Tons of people who will edit videos on Fiverr for very cheap. Now, how can you actually make way more money from these videos than most people on YouTube? A lot of these channels are leaving a huge portion of the pie to everybody who knows about this method. And I'm about to show it to you right now how to make a ton more money on YouTube than from just ad revenue. Let me show you how to do this. So all you have to simply do, go to Google and type in Digistore24 right here. And you simply go to digistore24.com and then click the marketplace on the top right here. And then once you're in the marketplace, just search for meditation. Then search. As you can see, there's a product in here that you can promote, and every single person who buys a premium meditation through this page right here, they go to the shop, they buy a meditation. After you put this link in the description of your meditation YouTube videos, you get 60% of every single sale. And as you can see, to promote this, you simply click promote now and you sign up for a Digistore24 account. It's completely free to sign up and you can start making money right away. So simply go to Digistore24, sign up for the affiliate program for this, and then put that link in the description and in the pinned comment section of every single one of your meditation videos. And this is how you can make a ton more money on YouTube than simply relying on AdSense. But don't get me wrong, you can make a ton of money on AdSense as well. And also, people who are into meditations are also likely have a lot of the same interests. For example, if we go to Digistore24.com and we go down here within their marketplace, as you can see, there's actually a spirituality and esoterics section. Now, people who are into meditations are most likely into spirituality and all that stuff as well. And if we go to this section right here, as you can see, highest converting archetype product, and if we go to the sales page of this product, people can sign up for quizzes, and then if they later buy through this link right here that you can promote on your YouTube videos, you'll earn an average of $15 per sale. And you can go to Digistore24.com, promote any of these things on any of your meditation videos that you produce, or that you can pay other people to produce for you, but these videos are very easy to generate yourself as well. And the real beauty of this method is that you can generate the videos yourself at first, and then once you're making enough money from those channels, you can expand. And you can put a video creation machine, assembly line, whatever you want to call it, you can put this in place and you can start having the videos produced for you, and all you literally have to do is come up with video ideas and upload the videos. And that's all I do within my YouTube operation. Now let me ask you a question. If you had the choice between trying to do this all yourself, trying to guess, and trying to figure out what works, what doesn't, learn by trial and error, and maybe you'll succeed and maybe you won't. If you had the choice between that and having someone who's done this time and time again help you, guide you, and work with you to get the results that you want on YouTube, and to make sure that you're not just wasting your time with this method, what would you choose? Option 1 or option 2? If you said option 2, I would love to introduce you to my program called Tube Mastery and Monetization.